How to copy Chrome extension from one profile to another. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can copy extensions from one profile to another. So in case you have a lot of extensions in one of your profiles and you want to log out and log that into another. Now sometimes you will not be getting all of these extensions. So in that case, what you do is before you log out from this very account, you will have to just sync your account. To do that, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner right here. And after you do that, tap on turn on sync. So after you tap on turn on sync, just go through all that, make sure the extension is turned on. And after you do that, after the sync completes, go ahead and log in into your account in another device. And after you do that, your extension will start downloading in that profile as well. And that's basically how you do it, guys. All you have to do is turn on synchronization. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.